All right, part 3, part of the 300-hour service, we're going to be doing the thermostat. For the 2005 Yamaha F90 TLRD 4-stroke outboard. Here's the thermostat for it, Yamaha part number. I'm going to start out by pulling this plastic cover here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th grommet on the back that holds it on. All you need to do is pull up on it till it pops off and exposes the thermostat, which is this little guy right here. I love how it's a zip tie from the factory that holds that on. First step we're going to do is cut this zip tie. We're going to pull this hose off, and then we're going to pull these two 10mm bolts here and here. And we'll come back after that's done. Okay, hose has been removed. I tucked it down to the side, and bolts have been removed. Now you see all that white stuff. Yep, that's corrosion. If you're like me, which a lot of people are where I live, you primarily use your boat in salt water because fishing in freshwater is catching bait. And you're going to have corrosion buildup on damn near everything on your outboard. And the only time this boat sees fresh water is when it's on the garden hose. So we got the bolts removed. You pull that right off. Bottom of the housing actually looks pretty freaking good. We just got a little bit of corrosion around the nipple. Clean that off with a wire brush. And then here's the thermostat, which looks like it's in good shape too. You pull that thermostat out. Nice corrody yucky in there. Beautiful. And throw it away. All right. I'm going to take a rag. I'm just going to clean out our area we're going to work with, since it is a rubber seal to metal mating surface. Make sure that it's as clean as possible so we don't have any leaks. Once I get it all cleaned up, we'll install the thermostat. All right, we got the hole pretty well cleaned up. And we got the housing nice and wire brushed as good as I feel like doing. We're going to go ahead and just reinstall this thermostat. Okay, got the hole cleaned up, housing cleaned up, got the new thermostat. We're just going to drop it right in the hole. Seats right in. There's a little lip. You can't go any farther than that. And then you take your new housing, pop it on. Housing's put back on. We got the bolts started by hand. And then tighten them all the way down by hand. A little bit harder with that spring in the way. With this side though. We'll go ahead and tighten these down. You want to get these nice and snug. They are small bolts. They will snap. There wasn't an actual torque setting for them in the manual, but I believe that's an M6. So right around 6 foot-pounds, I believe, is all they want. Please let me know if I'm wrong about that torque spec. Once we get those bolts nice and snug, take our hose, beat out all the salt, slip it back on, install a brand new zip tie, and we'll be done. And this is what Yamaha shows as the correct clamping method for this hose. Tighten this thing down. Cut it off. And that's it. Thermostat's that easy. Don't remember the price on the part. It was pretty significant though, I do remember that, as far as what it is and what they want for it. They are proud of it, but it is Yamaha. They're proud of every freaking thing they sell. Thanks for watching.